5 most deadliest animals.
Number 1. Mosquitoes are responsible for the most human deaths, with an estimated 750,000 people dying each year due to diseases transmitted by them. Number 2. Sharks are known to be incredibly dangerous predators in the ocean, causing 6 deaths a year, according to statistics. Number 3, 4, and 5. Lions, wolves, and crocodiles can all be incredibly dangerous when encountered in the wild, with lions responsible for at least 22 deaths a year. These animals are all capable of causing death by biting, trampling, or drowning, and their close proximity to humans makes them a threat to public safety.